Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to make magic wands. Okay, in your kit you're going to find different colored ribbons, a pipe cleaner, skewer, 2 colored gem stickers, a topper, and beads of various colors to match your ribbons. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your beads in a certain order of how you want it to look on your wand. So I'll show you. So this is a finished wand, and on it you have the different beads. So think about the order of the beads. If you don't care, then you can just slide them onto your pipe cleaner. I'm going to do one color of each. And then I'll finish it off with another color of each of them. But it's up to you. You can put the purples together, greens together, oranges together, golds together, whatever you'd like. It's your magic wand. And then once you're done putting those beads on, you're going to go ahead and wrap it around the skewer. You're going to start at the bottom with the flat tip. And the part of the pipe cleaner that is not beaded, all the beads should be on one end of your pipe cleaner. And you are going to twist the pipe cleaner around the skewer, like a snake up a tree. If you need to scoot your beads a little bit down, that's fine too. And then you are going to tie the rest of the pipe cleaner to that tip, just like that. So I think I'm going to scoot my beads a little bit down. Just like that. And now you're going to put your topper on, the sharp side, and stick it on there. Very nice. Okay, now this part where we push the beads down, that's where we're going to tie our ribbons. Now you can tie them all at the same time, but I'm going to tie 2 at the same time on one side. So I'll start on one side and tie it over the other. Like that. And then I'm going to tie these 2 together. Over the knot of the first 2 ribbons. Now if you like, and you want to cut all of your ribbons the same length, you can do that with some scissors. But I like them different lengths. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to add your jeweled stickers, and that's going to go over the holes of your topper. So go ahead and stick one on one side and stick the other on the other side. And you are all set with your magic wand. I've put different colors in each kit. So maybe you have a purple star, maybe you have an orange star, or maybe you have different ribbon colors and beads. So each one is unique. Seems I lost a star. There we go. So enjoy your magic wands, everybody. Did you know magic wands have a presence in the history and legends of human cultures from thousands of years ago all the way to the present day?